Long before modern tanks, armies used elephants as living weapons. In India, Persia, and Carthage, war elephants charged into battle, crushing soldiers and horses alike. They could carry armored riders, archers, and even small catapults, making them unstoppable on the battlefield. Hannibal famously crossed the Alps with elephants to strike Rome, a move that terrified enemies and became legendary. But elephants weren't invincible. Skilled armies learned to panic them with noise, fire, and spears, turning the giants against their own troops. Still, for centuries, these massive beasts acted like living tanks, reshaping warfare and intimidating entire armies.